Alright guys, I'll be removing this intake here from this 3.6 liter Cadillac. I'll be using my new tool that I picked up from the TikTok shop. 3/8 drive, yes sir. So let's go ahead and grab an extension. We need about a 3-inch extension, so this will do. These bolts are 13 millimeter. And this impact does have different modes here, as you can see. 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna go with 3. Want the max breakaway torque. So we're gonna go ahead and stick it in there. Easy. Easy. Got one more back here. Just like that. Now we're going to take a look at the 10 mil in the front. And then we got 2 back here. Well, never mind. Somebody's worked on it before. We're going to plug the 1 connector we got right here. Bink, just like that. Now we're going to set our impact aside. Alright, there's fine. Now we're going to grab our intake and pop this up. Alright guys, so we're able to remove the intake pretty easy. If you don't want to break the bank buying an impact, go ahead and click the link on this video. Like I said, I highly recommend, especially the torque output that it has. This thing is fairly strong. There it is, 21 volts. So yeah guys, go get you one.